In this video, you are going to see how to insert a dotted line in Google Slide, as you can see here. Let's get started. To insert a dotted line, let us go to Insert, go to Line and click on the first option, Line, and hold down the Shift key and drag it like this to make a straight line. Now, this is a thick horizontal line. If you want to increase its size, let us select it by using your mouse. Go to over here, line wide, and choose your desired white from here. If you want to change the color, select it, go to over here, line color, and choose the color of your choice. Now if you want to change the dash or dot, select it again, go to this option, line dash, and choose the dash of your choice. And here you will see this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.